Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you some classic Vidarbha Tassar sarees with Karvati Kinar. Karvat in Marathi means a saw, and these sarees are called Karvati Kinar because of the sawtooth or temple borders. They are woven in the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. They are extremely versatile and perfect to wear for all occasions. So let's get started with this elegant collection. A very unique Vidarbha Tassar sari with Karvati Kinar. This one has Ganga Jamuna borders. This elegant Tassar sari has lines running along the length of the sari all over the body. The borders of the sari are Ganga Jamuna Karvati Kinar. The upper border is in a beautiful deep magenta color with temples along the borders. The lower border of the sari is in a beautiful rich shade of yellow. The pallu of the sari has classic lines in a combination of magenta and yellow. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse in magenta or yellow. You can accessorize this sari with some colorful beaded jewelry or pearl jewelry. A gorgeous and elegant Vidarbha Tassar sari. The borders on this one are in the same color on both sides. This is a Vidarbha Tassar sari in a timeless combination. The Tassar body of the sari is complemented by the black Karvati Kinar borders which have blue stripes. The pallu of the sari has lines in black, orange and yellow. The blouse fabric of the sari is running, but you can pair it with a contrast black blouse for a classy look. You can accessorize this sari with some black beaded jewelry. A very unique and special Vidarbha Tassar sari. The borders of this sari are also in a very rare combination and the design is also different. This gorgeous Vidarbha Tassar sari has threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders of the sari are Ganga Jamuna Karvati Kinar borders. The upper border of the sari is in a beautiful rich magenta color. The lower border of the sari is in a very rare and unusual tealish color. The grand pallu of the sari has elaborate threadwork motifs. It is a jala pallu in multicolor. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast magenta or teal colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with some simple pearl jewelry. A stunning Vidarbha tussar with Ganga Jamuna Karvati Kinar. This one is a personal favorite. This gorgeous Vidarbha tussar sari has threadwork buttas in black and orange all over the body. The upper border of the sari is in a stunning orange color with temples along the borders. The lower border of the sari is in black. The pallu of the sari has lines in a combination of black and orange. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but it will look absolutely stunning when paired with an orange blouse or a black blouse. You can accessorize the sari with some coral jewelry or beaded jewelry. Vidarbha tussar saris with Karvati Kinar are timeless. They can be worn throughout the year. You can wear them to office. You can also wear them for occasions and events. These look great when you pair them with contrast ikat blouses. To shop for our Vidarbha tussar saris with Karvati Kinar, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.